Okay, welcome to our next class. So we'll continue from our last class where we were able to link HTML file to CSS file. So in this class, we will solidify our knowledge on how to use CSS to make so many good designs for HTML. So I'll bring this down. So the next property we will learn apart from background is color. If you wanted to change a text color, say we make this background, we make this background blue. Blue, okay? And then we wanted to change the text color to red. Let's just make it red. Something like this. Then we want to make the font size to be like 40 pixels. Okay, so let's see how all this will look like. So if we refresh this, we now see a blue background and a red color text, and then the font size is bigger. Now also notice that in CSS, you use color without the U. Okay, this is not correct. So you use it without the U. Okay, so there are other properties we would add to this. Okay, so as time goes on, I'll show you most of those properties. Now let us see how to target elements in this in HTML. Okay, so that will be like our topic for today. We will learn how to target elements and then improve on styling our HTML using the various attributes, the various properties that we have. Okay, so let's say I added an H1 tag here and say hello world, and then I added a div tag here, and then I added a paragraph. This is a long paragraph. Okay, can copy something and then try to make it longer. Okay, so we have our website now. Let me remove the colors that we have, maybe gray, and then black. Okay, so that looks good. So if we refresh this, we have a very nice website that has a gray background and then the text color is black. Okay, so this is our div and this is our paragraph. Okay, we can go to and get Lorem Ipsum and let's copy that text to have a longer text. So in the paragraph, we may have something like Lorem Ipsum. Okay. Okay, so okay, also notice that if you break like this in HTML, it has no effect on the text that you view. It has no effect. So except you use a break tag or you use paragraph tags, you will not have any effect with this. So let's check that again. So you just see a long paragraph that is not divided. Okay, so I can reduce the font size. To about 16 pixels. So I think so it's like this. It's still the long. So for us to have about 2 paragraphs there, we have to close the first paragraph and then we have another paragraph. Okay, the other paragraph therefore closes here. So that's how we have 2 paragraphs. Okay, so that's nice. So how do I style this? If I wanted to style welcome to my website, it means I'll have to look for div. This is the only place we have div in the HTML page. So what I'll do is I come here and this becomes our selector like we learned in our last class. We have div selector, okay? And then we can say background color, we can say pink, okay? So let's see how that goes. So our div now has a pink background. Okay, we can make our div, we can say font weight bold. And then we have that it's only applied here. Okay, we can improve the font size a bit and maybe 25 pixels. Okay, so this is how to target a particular this particular property and style it. So if we wanted to style the paragraph tags, we can have p tags like that, and then we say background, make it red, and then make the text color white. Okay, so if we check this again, we see that this has its own styling. So this is pretty much how to target elements and then to style them differently in our CSS. So in the next class, I'll show you how to use classes and then use IDs to also style elements differently. So thank you so much for joining this class.